What if the way you prepare garlic is silently harming you instead of helping? You consume it as a shield for your heart and immune system, but common, everyday mistakes can silently strip its power or even turn it into a source of subtle harm. These aren't complicated errors, they are simple routines you've likely followed for years without a second thought. If you've ever wondered why garlic seems ineffective or causes discomfort, the answer lies in avoiding these 5 critical missteps. Mistake 1. Consuming raw garlic on an empty stomach. While potent, raw garlic sulfur compounds can become abrasive against an unprotected stomach lining, especially as we age. This can lead to burning pain, cramps, or nausea that many mistakenly attribute to aging. Always pair raw garlic with a gentle food buffer like yogurt, oatmeal, or whole grain toast to cushion your stomach and allow the benefits without the irritation. Mistake 2. Improper storage that destroys potency. Storing bulbs in the cold, damp environment of your refrigerator causes stress, sprouting, and mold. Sealing garlic in plastic traps moisture and accelerates spoilage. Once garlic loses its freshness, its active compounds degrade, and it can cause bloating and digestive upset. Keep garlic in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place like a mesh bag or paper bag in your pantry to preserve its healing strength. Mistake 3. Applying excessive heat when cooking. Garlic's delicate sulfur compounds are destroyed by high temperatures. Frying it until golden brown may smell wonderful, but it destroys the very substances that support circulation and immunity. Use gentle heat. Add garlic later in the cooking process and warm it just until fragrant. For maximum benefit, incorporate a little raw or lightly cooked garlic at the end of your meal preparation. Mistake 4. Swallowing whole cloves. Swallowing whole cloves is a futile and risky practice. A whole, unbroken clove cannot release allicin, the key therapeutic compound, because allicin only forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Your digestive system cannot efficiently process an intact clove, leading to potential blockages, discomfort, and a significant choking hazard. Always crush, chop, or mince your garlic and let it rest for a few minutes before use to unlock its full potential. Mistake 5. Relying on pre-peeled or pre-minced garlic. This sacrifices potency for convenience. Once peeled, garlic oxidizes and loses its protective barrier, causing its active ingredients to degrade rapidly and making it susceptible to microbial growth. Jarred, pre-minced garlic often contains preservatives or oils that neutralize its power. For real benefits, use whole bulbs, peel only what you need, and always opt for fresh preparation. Conclusion. In summary, garlic transforms from a simple ingredient into a profound health ally when you use it with conscious intent. By pairing it with food, storing it correctly, cooking it gently, preparing it properly, and insisting on freshness, you unlock its true power to protect your heart, aid digestion, and boost vitality. These small mindful shifts ensure that every clove actively contributes to your wellness, allowing you to harness nature's medicine with confidence and ease. Your journey to better health is built on these smart, daily habits.